Hey everybody, how you doing? I wanted to get on here and share a story with you, and basically talk with you about freelancing. And there might be some of you out there that didn't understand this as a way to make money. There was a point in my life where I didn't think that I could do this, especially when it came to like software development or just solving problems with code. But like I am living proof that you can reinvent yourself if you focus on the fundamentals and get real paying clients that basically, pay you enough money that you can, thrive, not just survive type thing. So hopefully this is like inspiring to you. Feel free to ask like all kinds of questions. I'm super happy to give you answers on my own personal experience, but it's definitely doable, and you don't have to be a rocket scientist or a computer science major or something like that. So, all right.